I get too close, or did I almost see what's really on the inside? All your insecurities, all the dirty laundry, never made me blink one time. Unconditionally, I will love you unconditionally. There is no fear.
That is true to see. Shameless, I think what he really meant was that there's no shame getting.
I will love you unconditionally. Come just as you are to me. Don't need apologies. Know that you are worth it. Take your bad days with your good. Walk through the storm I would. I do it all because I love you. I love you unconditionally. I will love you unconditionally. There is no fear now. Let go and just be free. I will love you unconditionally. So open up your heart and just let it begin. Open up your heart and just let it begin. Open up your heart and just let it begin. Open up your heart. Acceptance is the key to be truly free. Will you do the same for